If you're looking for a way of making videos and editing them in your cell phone, there's good news for you, because today I'm going to walk you through this app called InShot that allows you to create amazing videos from your cell phone. So the first step is to open InShot, and then we're going to select new, and we're going to add a new video. I'm going to my folder where I have the videos and select all those clips that I'm ready to edit. InShot gives you the option of selecting the size of your video. In this case, I'm going to go with a 16:9 for YouTube. The first tool is the scissors, and this is going to allow us to adjust the length of our video by selecting trim, cut, or split. Now with this tool, you can select the parts of the video that you want and keep them, and get rid of those parts that you don't like. Now we can add a transition between both clips by selecting the transition tool, and I'm going to go where it says film. This T right here is the text tool, and it allows you to insert text. So we're going to select it, and it's going to open a text box where we're going to write something just random. This is Oklahoma. Now we're going to switch the font that we're using, and you can also adjust the size and position of your text. And now we're going to select some music, adding it with this button right there, and choose a track. And I'm just going to select this one. I really like it. This track is going to land on top of my footage, and you can see the sound waves there where you can make your cuts. Also, you can get special effects, and this is how our video looks so far. Next, we're going to see this filters option, and this is a way that you can color grade your footage. If it's too flat, you can add different preset filters. You have warm, natural, DFW, and you can just select the filter that you want and also make adjustments to it. We're going to correct the contrast a little bit, the temperature of the scene, also the tint. You can lift the shadows a little bit, but what I really like about it is that you can play with the tone curve. I really use the tone curve on Final Cut Pro 10 to give it that washed style, or you can also remove reds, greens, or blues from the image and adjust it as you wish. We're going to do a little speed ramping. This means that we're going to accelerate the pace of the footage in certain areas, and we're going to leave it at normal speed in some areas. It gives you that speed ramping effect. And this is how our speed ramp looks like. I'm not very happy with the adjustments to the colors that we made, so we're going to go back to the filters area and make a few adjustments so our video doesn't look that blue and just looks strange. So we're going to change the filter, adjust some things, and this is how our video looks like. There's a lot of more things you can do with this app, and the best way to discovering them is to downloading the app into your phone and just start playing with it and see what other tools you like. The good thing about it is that it has a free version, so you don't have to commit with a payment. The only downfall of that is that you're going to have that watermark on the bottom corner that says InShot, and also you're going to be seeing a lot of ads. Thank you for staying up until the end. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you never miss one of these videos. If you want to see more tutorials like this, please comment below and I'll try to make that video for you.